they happen and they talk about my own country people. Them wonderful situation. Accident don't happen for corner down the university sector for down the day 3 people they don't die. Wonderful palaver today country people. They went and Ngongoro. We talk about population for Mboko plage. When we call this morning time for Douala here, them block motor for ice Sonel company for Latre for Sikasi don't be 1 week pass we do not get lights country. People them who go visit that road for go that Mboko safe hotel now about road 2 for go Mbiame. Yes, for come out for place where they call her. So this one now. Banso go to Mbiame village for yes sewong them for Bamenda the country people them 80 happen for there's the road Chakra pass mark hotel na too about this other accident where they so begin them make accident for peace we call and say Makene the hotel na about chapter for this thing where they so mayor for Douala 1 Lengil Malapa Jean-Jacques and then conseil to Kedron start now for the movement for corner road fight desert urbain chapter will be happen for the aqua here. Now wonderful palaver Bangante don't get water country people them after plenty years them and then fun don't disappear, fun don't come, long live the fun for Kejom Keku. Country people who a big salute. Salam alaikum for all Musulman. This one a Pidgin TV News, Equinox Television with me, Imam Mojibo Masatok Toride. And it's a big salute country people them. What you want to talk about and we say we start with same story for today. Same story for today. Trouble, the one can visit person, they bring each year. Trouble, the one can visit person, it bring each year. Same story for today is trouble, the one can visit person, they bring each year. Dr. Bashiru for the side, Dr. Na Bashiru for the side for Italy. Plenty metro mauto in support and country people them. When not to enough for una talk security. As a trouble happened this morning time today, they bring up people them for security company for can block motor made no finish and from Mboko plage day. Palaba wait till they see na palaba latri the country people una see. And this we talk about them for here country people them. Wonderful matter, wonderful palaver them. They don't block motor for IS Sonel for the say no go shake for sika wait population come out block that motor sin wait the happen country put block road 2 for this side say so they don't get latre since 1 week they don't pass 1 week they don't get latre now from Mboko plus pay you can say so club Achuka Mboko plus pay you can say club Achuka they say trouble come out for the transformer don't holler like a bomb for Ben Laden na boom. They want to come take place again for them. They say all the disjuncted them wonderful thing they lost sense catch fire self burn. So also now inside this one, transform my thing where they so the disjuncted catch fire burn for day. Now for them now where trouble can happen as soon get and so where population be so 1 week will last day. They say they couple anyhow down they come they block the motor now. We could block the motor for this 70 country people them say make it no happen. Make the motor no shake if they don't put people in light. If they don't give people in light, the motor is no go shake for this so. Ambas. No get where they talk about them. For here from Mboko plage, look at a place where it catch fire. You see, now place where the box catch fire now. Born for back so then let's just come out quarter vamus for this so country people them. So as the people they come with their motor, they can't block them. We ask one person make it tell we 8 up now for microphone for HTC. Wait way it really happen country people them. Una yet wait talk una ye.
Don't tell for IS Sonel. Now 2 weeks now we will not get light. We won't come back for evening time. We'll see where the IS Sonel, the disjoncted don't spoil. We don't call IS Sonel. Even me, I don't call for Sonel. Sonel no come. Sonel talk say, how when I don't call them, tomorrow we will come fix light. Any day they need to come. Any day they need to come. Except yesterday I be call them, they no come. All day and for radio, they don't give you number 7711 7711 number for Orange. They say if he light day, if he problem day, when they call them. All day one time when you call them, they know you green for camp. They also tell you saying that they come, but they know they come.
So from Mboko Day country people, them road say for enter Mboko Place na big thing where they call on for that side country people them say this na true Frenchman say parcours combattant for the road for enter Mboko na so say Douala this one na Douala una see. Look at Mboko Place. As you come out so for Nilon, let me say tradition enter Mboko. Now what this say? All this will enter Mboko Place country people them. Wonderful matter when you talk about something I wrote this. They different from road will go Banga Pongo they contribute them. Now wrote this, wrote nang rebooting, wrote don't chaka for that side, wrote don't turn wonderful kind in them, wrote don't to fear for they contribute them. So and so be so. Wonderful as we get away to talk about and say true, proper wonderful for the country people them. And as we talk about kind thing, we come the take place so chapter for road inside this matter then so country people wonderful thing as we get and so na so the thing have to look road we go for the side for Mboko Place as come out for place with the column. So this for the side for yes this all the side Mboko them. Now road is will enter Mboko Place this so country people they suffer with rainfall in rainfall so for the year but for the plenty past max so country people then only plenty can carry put and go money so the double up. I say they get their can barrier the pollution for try for check security check to say do motor no come now spoil the road quarter day for day how in go they carry some say pass with them for day and school them too they around the two country people wonderful can matter them. Now talk about ask one person make it tell we wait you remember for this road he talks to for microphone for Ash this.
The rule for you quarter don't pass we. For 10 years we are there, no one no pass for ya. And away we there for pay tax like all people. We don't know how to do Cameroon here or we know the Cameroon. This one don't pass we. Anytime them say them could say money, this small one way you see them so. Now all we don't join the hand for quarter year. Push more ground. And one enter for ya you will pay more to 300, 400 for the 6 year more. And no the entire. No enter so them enter with the force. Why we do also we do for pay tax, we do for pay all things where government they ask them. And I know we know there for breeze. Tell me what they come say, they come join all route. John say our man no fish no nothing for ya. After I become a hell of small. Like I will not get deep problem. The more we now would watch we work cash more for day. Now only see the why we don't join money before we travel for work so. No man not money shop. Now all
no be only for Mboko for Douala here, for that side for Bui division, road for come out Kumbo, Banso, go for Mbiami village in a wonderful situation them. Yes, Mary Sewon came to the year about time for that side there for place where they talk about us in Tabisin school day country people the for Bamenda. Wait it up and say road for come out for Banso go Mbiami na it is. Look up. I said road for come out Kumbo. Let me say Banso headquarters for Bui division. Go reach from Mbiami. Ladies, look at Mbiami now for back hill them for that side there. Hill upon hill, look road for them. They don't even try for great and small. Still put pipe them and them under. They don't para. Look at this one. They like in those days road for Komot Kumbago, Ikondo Titi, although that road not on Binana Express. Yes, contribute look road. Now wrote this after they suffer for enter so take good shit that can end them. But now for the Irish potato they come up pass mark. Now for the beans they come out pass mark. Now for the oil to and corn. Cassava safe all things come out pass mark for day. But road for good in look lake them and can water them. People they suffer for try for work farm for that place to look at. It makes now a person banga so that make oil come out. But how you manage carry the oil now? Go to show market for seller. Look the way they take one motorcycle carry car for this we take answer for motorcycle for carry people them. Now people they carry motorcycle, motor safety for anytime for the Nambiami. This they talk about them for this issue they so country people them. Wonderful institution, wonderful thing they wanna feel. Here they talk about look road upon road and road them for yes so Nambiami road this so country people in Kenke hamba for things that we come. They take place we even go we don't tight for the kind of ground put down for food. So may try for strong small for come out inside mod country people in a situation that will happen for they will ask of one person make it tell you what happen. United we talk for microphone from Ginny Edmond Bamenda talk Masona here.
For so it not be easy. Now almost 3 days we don't make for here. Day and night we do for here. Send they renew the route back to the fix one again.
The route there so People them boy, not the work route. Where they buy some for them to 20,000. See how we route day. If they be work route live when if they be work route live where they not fix somewhere when they think when they work them. When I fix route the mob when I think when they work them. See how we sober for you. You come young there for you, come young where they work for the route. They carry sun supply every day. The people them for you, they know the work sun. They know the fix route. They work sun. Where they buy some 20,000 every day, man, they go for the mom, that's you know the fix route.
If we never know how much they buy sand for Douala country people, them, and for even clap for ourselves in only 20,000 accidents we happen for Ngaoundéré, now for road for come down, go into Ngaoundéré town country people, them. Now some Ngongoro, we miss breaks now. Yes, they see now, friend don't cut, breaks don't cut for you. 80 happen, he jumps on small motor, driver dies, so small picking for 6 years to die. There's an other woman too, that means 3 people then died. They didn't have for hospital for Ngaoundéré this way, peloton routier motorisé with ABJC them, all them crying them. For that side, they don't do all things with they make it constant for the country people them. Now, Popo, where we talk so, yes, we talk so, we prepare, and not one to will come back and tell una country people, them say this for Bonability for right, put them go block to this place where they call and say, Sonel, so the code day, and for Sika, light no day past 1 week now. We'll come back to that one when Mukube Robert bring image to the third year. We'll come back to talk about this thing was so the enter now, so SMS the come for we message the come for we country people, them say this so bracket and data side, they don't bracket for this thing we call and say this so first trust for that side for Melon Day country people them commandant for brigade for Melon where they call it say Atape Joseph David Jean Atape David Jean and element day for that side now for no to be the enquête for the hotel all the details them for Equinox television country people. We'll go now back for McKinney talk about this other accident. We picking them for this week last say Kindik yes Kindik Jabi they come out for go match for 20 May for McKinney they motor carry they inside now he make accident so as Janam they make constat Belskin took a knock Janam for the Belgian so go match say give cafe for sous-préfet. Ladies, look up Kindik Jabi nowadays and the motor this will carry them dinner 6,000 they don't carry them so come now as they run tire makes so both explosion de pneu wait happen now for the one time contribute them they make accidents so put them carry dodi janem na adjutant when adjoint for CB for that side they do it to contribute them he woke up to say this so it can make constant for them talk with people the way to if it really happen we said this issue and this chapter them for years to country people them now for them now for Kindik Jabi for them it can happen now they way put the common time base you can see what you don't happen they carry up in look up you see Jana don't can jump you see Benskin don't come can jump Jandam stay Jana don't fall for the country put them jump Jandam stay Jandam don't fall now for the wonderful matters the police can take care 8 Benskin for that side now do what with your CS they talk for this may they try may they even leave him may they leave him for this country people wonderful matters when I see talk about this take the person and take the machine to then handle on the way if it's the for the country people they can go to for Peter Central the McKinney wound them look at I say and the very adjutant that they come now come match now for front sous-préfet as a court café désaxé you see désaxé c'est go back term then they gonna see now how you go now go take command from sous-préfet hey wonderful thing allez c'est en front go sous-préfet du court café wonderful matter for the country pour them. As everyone for that side for please we call and say McKinney so they will come back for Douala des autres urbains they don't talk about 1 week this way this so people them come and brew soldier them for soldier ant them for the language malapassion chaque day for outside for do work and then now with this one at general etu kemwele and then for obsessive for see what will happen for the country pour nation. Look, they don't come to draw line. Say all this one, they don't put line for this. Say this thing will see they put line now. Say all this broken them, no must cross that red line. Now they talk so now chapter now for ligne rouge, not be ligne blanche again, not be white line again. Way they be talk and say avertissement and ligne rouge for talk say they see you your team for them they carry and carry. Then they what can now they put and say all kako una move from Foroto, una come out from Foroto, man almost they body that red line for the country people them. Say that danger, una say red that danger, rouge, bamungu, A danger for they understand about them, so they will make person look out upon the look out in for that set motto for this chapter, so they must come out at all, move on for this place with people that all of my trust. Elman man will try for pass that red line. Naisabi, so the toxin for they wake up was supposed to be anyone will pass with now, Naisabi, they will carry all put them for Fourier municipal they so contribute. Set my trust, set all in them as they talk about them for this so can hamba and waiting and come. They take place with the palaver them as not get as soon as things they come happen for the look wait we did they look in the way come. Before this so country people them so and so be so for this kind of issue them as not jam waiting and happen we'll see what they put now for the so country people them wonderful can matter wonderful laugh at them for the as they draw line them motor they put X for motor them see Saint Andre they put the cross we can and leave thank you. All things put ourselves motor them for that side before till they move from so they say after 24 hours they're supposed to come back now this weekend carry the motor na can and so contribute and go down for the assisting happen we 1 year with happen for day una fit imagine say they don't work and take 2 weeks for sensibiliser pour them come up for day all pour citer that so they want to say no be sabi je ne savais pas wonderful thing oh boy it's any matter na chapter for say una cover una ear cover una mouth then una siam that's una siam.
Pas de matelas sur la chaussée. Hein? Vous ne pouvez pas vendre les matelas en plein air, comme ça. Vous comprenez? Les matelas à l'intérieur. La limite qu'on est en train de vous donner là jusqu'à maintenant, hein, elle est tolérée d'ailleurs. Vous comprenez? Et que ça ne traverse pas. Que les trottoirs soient dégagés à partir de tout de suite là. C'est bien suivi?
Cameroon man stronghead country people will go for Bangante. Wait till they happen. As a scan water don't hook up again for Bangante that time now. Well, water will go now be put on suffer for Bangante don't get water. Suffer don't get water now water don't come for Bangante now this. Bangante as they talk about them for this so. They say ancien snake the tonton for the it got water no do for Bangante. Well, before they go now go look to where they so ngom na be don't put them for the before. Now they say council now talk say, hey, that project for scan water be come from ground so. It pump and give put in water. Still water come for tap put they drink. The young small they still was skin the cook chop. But they go back for they go see what happen. Buy the thing the way don't spoil now, put them back for the siam. So now the water they come out now back for Bangante way. People then fit take water, they fit drink water, they fit wash with water inside this matter. As when I can hear with they explain now for them for chapter them for things they will talk about and say water now don't reach for people them inside their house them and they can't matter them too for they will now hear they talk about and inside this issue. They say people if they carry water now for public tap them, they can continue for this way water the pump inside this issue for the so country people them. We talk about this matter for Bamenda Day, for Tuba subdivision after this Nkwende. Now for Kejom Keku, Big Babanki, where they so they beat their chief tie. So they go put you go to for boundary for this so Bonnie for the country people them stay there. They be catching new chief and now new senior divisional officer for Mezam don't go there. See how they so population they accept this one country people them. Now this. Now it's a dance. Can't you dance them? When they dance with that self for Turks, they so mbe, we deal with you. People then come out for inside their numbers. Gini Edmond to be dance the own number and Angwashi. For they will talk about them. Tell us what they want for year and their fund. Say this so fund don't come. Big Babanki don't get fund. At last so contribute. So people early to the for that side they do the thing they supposed to do and to sing praises for the mbe and the other one for this so contribute sweep ground for you see make you work fine, make your roads be clean and clear for this so country people them. So and so be so as they can dance the Juju one come on the mbe this now they talk about and then put red feather now for the notables that thing happen for the so country people in a situation where we can't take place, a place where they call and say Kejom Keku village where they so they are now that for the inside this kind matter then so country people them. Now the small one that we get them for now for today, Pidgin News they continue so go before for Equinox Television. This number where they appear now for down to country people them. The number one if you call the anytime something they happen for now quarter if you call talk say if one send story, send her now for SMS with your name under. No call to say I want me to take my own sense story. No, they send her for text message. But you recall now for talk say Chief Monday for here, ask them for here, they don't book some house for here, they don't do this fire the burn house for here, or road don't chakara for this place, or cable them for light don't fall for here on top person. Now so they go for send more, send intervention rapidly they can film up, then solve the problem for the country people. When you see trouble, the one can visit person, they bring it here. Thank you, Plenty Engineer Edmond. Thank you, Fonkenet. Thank you to this my class, Antinganun. And then Jerome Nassis, Sop, for Banganti, the country people. Them. Thank you to Innocent Baker, Doctor, with direct team for the team for them, for Francis Boyum, demand the other man, Danny, is for technical side, the country people as they talk about them for this matter and safety. So if Alan Zing is in at 6:30 for evening time for Equinox website, when I'll get Pidgin News today, me, I say if I see my back. My belly is for front. Alhamdulillah.